Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa Quartz exposed smart shower. Before installation, think about the location of the shower. If the ceiling height is over 2.4 meters, a riser rail extension kit will be required. Make sure there is adequate working clearance above the top of the rail in the roof space. Locate a suitable entry point in the ceiling for the riser rail, avoiding joists and surfaces. The centre of the riser rail stands 45 mm from the wall. If this is not suitable, use the spaces provided. Offer up the rail to the ceiling. Mark and drill a hole through the ceiling 30 to 40 mm in diameter. Feed the riser rail containing the copper pipe and the data cable through the hole in the ceiling, ensuring that the control is at the desired height and the rail is vertical. Slide the gel hook up the rail, ensuring it is higher than the lower fixing bracket. Place the lower bracket support pillar into position. Mark the screw holes and remove the fixing bracket to drill holes. Prepare the holes with suitable fixings and slide the fixing bracket back over the rail onto the support pillar. Secure to the wall using the screws provided. Place the upper rail bracket support pillar into the desired location, ensuring that both the hose restraint and the handset holder are below the rail wall bracket. Mark fixing points, drill and prepare holes, and fix the top bracket to the wall using the screws provided. Slide the rail end covers onto the fixing brackets flush with the finished wall surface and click the sides firmly into position. Flush water through the outlet before connecting hose and heads. Attach the hose and handset.